This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lotz on the James Dix Financial Network. The Fed's latest report on the U.S. economy found that price pressures were intensifying even as growth has slowed over the past month. Fed officials are wrestling with what to do about rising energy and commodity prices, even as the economy remains trapped between a credit crunch, a housing downturn, and gas sticker shock. The Fed's Beige Book consists of anecdotes collected by 12 Fed district banks and compiled this time by the Federal Reserve Bank of Kansas City. Mortgage Bankers Association said the highest 30-year mortgage rates in a year eroded demand for U.S. home loan applications last week. The seasonally adjusted application index dropped 6.2%. Government would help struggling homeowners get new, cheaper loans and be allowed to offer troubled mortgage giants Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac a cash infusion as part of legislation that aims to calm the chaotic housing market. The House of Representatives expected to vote on a bill today, and it could become law as early as this week. Bank of England voted 7-2 to keep official interest rates steady at 5% this month, with the dissenting members split between a cut and an increase. In news from the auto industry today, Chrysler announcing plans to cut 1,000 salaried jobs by September 30th in an effort to reduce costs amid deep slumps in U.S. auto sales. Toyota sold more than 4.8 million vehicles worldwide in the first half. That's up 2% from last year. And General Motors said its global sales fell by 5% in the second quarter to a total of 2.28 million vehicles. Scheduled economic reports coming out on Thursday include initial jobless claims for the week of July 19th and then the June existing home sales report. In earnings today, Boeing reports second quarter net profit of $852 million or $1.16 a share. Wall Street was expecting earnings of $1.23. General Dynamics reporting net income of $641 million or $1.60 a share, while the estimate of analysts put earnings of $1.44. ConocoPhillips saying second quarter net income rising to $5.4 billion or $3.50 a share. That from 18 cents a share in a year ago period. And AT&T said it earned $3.7 billion or 63 cents a share. That matched the average analyst estimate. McDonald's earned $1.19 billion or $1.04 a share. Analysts have been looking for earnings of 86 cents. Scheduled earnings reports on Thursday, lots of them too. Ford, Countrywide, Bristol-Myers Squibb, Raytheon, the Cheesecake Factory on the list, Level 3 Communications, Occidental Petroleum, Taser International, and Xerox, just to name a few. Stocks in the news today, Charles Schwab appointing Walter Bettinger chief executive, thus succeeding Charles Schwab, the brokerage's founder and chief executive. E-Trade reporting a second quarter net loss of $94.6 million or 19 cents a share. Washington Mutual reporting a second quarter net loss of $3.3 billion or $6.58 a share. And Yahoo announcing second quarter profit falling $130 million or 9 cents a share. That missed the consensus estimate. And that is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network.